Hello, welcome to my Honeybum tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your free Honeybum gift code. So what you need to do first is go on this website. I will show you in just a second. Make giftcard.com/honeybum. So here you can generate your free Honeybum gift card code. So let me just select the gift card, proceed, select 7, proceed. Now just wait for a moment. So now it's connecting. Let's just wait for a moment here. And finding the gift card codes. Checking the user. And now the gift card has been unlocked, so I will just copy my code and go back to the Honeybum. So let me just add this denim jacket to the shopping cart, and let's buy it now. And when you are on the checkout page, you can apply your gift card code. So just type in your gift card code or paste in your gift card code to the field. So just click on the field, paste or type in your code, and then click the apply. So it will apply the code to your order. So now the code has been applied, and as you can see, it's working perfectly.